is an easy one. You love this guy.
Me.
Come on. He's an underappreciated genius.
Still think it's me.
It's not you. Now think, there's a car named after him.
Of course there is. The Mini Cooper, because it's me.
How about this? He's a poor man's Sheldon Cooper.
Oh, Tesla.
Hi.
Hey, how'd it go?
Not fun. The doctor shoved a camera up into my sinuses.
Yeah, I watched. It was like the scary boat tunnel in Willy Wonka.
Did they figure out what's wrong?
Yeah, it's a deviated septum. The surgery to correct it is simple. He's gonna do it next week.
Why would you have surgery?
Because I can't breathe. When I snore, I get sinus infections.
Now back off. He's all mine.
But you don't have a life-threatening condition. Why would you take the risk of surgery?
Sheldon, it's a routine procedure. I've heard you complain about his snoring.
Well, yes, for the first 5 or 6 years, but I've gotten used to it. It helps me sleep. He's like my mucus-powered white noise machine.
Sheldon, I'm gonna get the surgery. It's no big deal. End of story.
Very well. Now I'm done talking about it.
Thank you.
I believe it was your turn in the game.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, this person is most famous for never having gotten his nose mutilated with elective surgery and never living the rest of his life in the shadows as a hideous, disfigured freak.
I think you could give a better clue.
I don't. I'm not even sure if that's a person or a typo.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids, math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
Okay, why?
I'm listening to you snore. I'm wondering how I'll ever sleep without it.
If it helps you sleep, then why are you sitting here staring at me like the albino boogeyman?
Really, Leonard, insults? After I've spent 2 hours in your closet waiting for you to fall asleep?
What's your problem?
If the surgery is successful, the snoring is gone. And if you die during surgery, the snoring is gone.
It sounds like either way, I finally get some rest.
I have to be honest with you, Leonard. I'm truly worried.
I told you, there's nothing to worry about.
Well, I've been doing some research, and I've learned that 1 in 700,000 people die from general anesthesia.
Buddy, do you realize that also means 699,999 people don't die?
I suppose that's true. You're such a glass half full kind of guy. I'm going to miss that.
Oh, so my parents' 40th anniversary is coming up, and I can't think of a thing to get them.
Damn, can you imagine being married to someone for 40 years?